HP Stream Laptop PC 11.611 AH117. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I recently was in the market for a new workbook, laptop. I have owned several high-end MacBooks in the past but was in search of something simply for browsing, streaming and word editing without spending hundreds if not thousands of dollars. I was reluctant at first to purchase this product because of Windows 10, but once you get the hang of it really isn't that bad. The laptop comes preloaded with Windows S mode, but prior to the previous review all you have to do is enable the full Windows 10 version in the settings, which does not cost you a penny more other than using more store. For example, with nothing other than Windows 10 full version plus Google Chrome, my laptop only has about 8 GB left of free space, which in and of itself is not surprising. This laptop comes with 2x USB 2.0 inputs. While they're not 3.0 like some of the more expensive Chromebooks, I don't really have the need for this as most of my information, data is stored on the cloud, which this includes 1 year free with up to 1 TB of storage, a great freebie. The laptop also comes with Windows Office Home Edition for a full year for free, which was a great surprise and money saver. It also comes standard with HDMI output and micro SD, which is amazing to help bump up the storage on this little guy. Currently have the micro SD slot filled with a 64BG chip from an old GoPro and have just loaded it up with movies, music and TV shows. My favorite thing about this laptop, other than the cost, has to be the size, weight and battery life. Compared to some of the bigger counterparts offered, this is absolutely perfect for close-range use like when on a plane, train or backseat of the car, because the screen is just big enough it doesn't hurt your eyes staring at it for too long. My least favorite thing so far about this laptop has to be the screen not having a good anti-glare setup on it, and while this isn't that bad to deal with it does get annoying in heavily lighted areas. Otherwise, for the cost of this laptop I would happily purchase another. Between the laptop plus extended 2 years warranty, the total for this product was roughly $180. Best $180 I have ever spent without the hassle of worrying about spending $700, $1,500 on a laptop and picking the wrong one or disliking the product overall. If this laptop lasts me for the 2 years of my warranty, then that is fine by me. This is the perfect little travel companion for anyone who is on the road and tired of lugging around big heavy laptops that battery life barely exceeds 6 hours when using for streaming more or less data editing. This laptop, while streaming Netflix/Hulu/ etc., seems to last me about 10 to 12 hours without dying. I have yet to drain the battery significantly while doing word processing on it. 10/10 would recommend for anyone who needs a little laptop to travel with, or something for home use when you want to sit on the sofa and not have to be plugged in or burn your legs to a crisp. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.